Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I remove my box braids safely. You're just going to need a few things to do this. So you need a spray bottle of water, a fine tooth comb, some scissors, a conditioner or a leave-in, whatever you want to choose, and then of course a hair tie to section off your hair. So I've had my braids in for 2 months now and it's definitely time for them to come out. I usually keep them in this long and I'm definitely going to miss them. So I just want to show you guys what my hair is looking like. So these are my roots. If I come in closer, you can see how much my hair has grown out. I have about 1 inch of growth, which is quite normal for 2 months. So my hair is very frizzy. My roots are very frizzy. My hair probably dry under here. So I'm excited to take them out, but I'm definitely going to miss them and I will be putting them in again very soon. So I'm going to start with the back section and we're going to start with this braid. So the back of my head, of course, is going to be the shortest. I don't know how long it actually is, so I'm going to play it safe, as most people do, and cut really low. So majority of my hair is actually at my waist, so I'm going to cut this first braid at my waist just to play it safe. And once I figure out where my hair actually is, then I will cut higher for the next one. There we go, that's one. So a lot of people use a comb and just comb it out, which I actually recently started doing. Before I used to just use my fingers, but using a comb is a lot easier and way faster. So just want to take your comb and comb that out. So the worst thing about getting braids is definitely the takedown. This takes forever, hours. It definitely takes hours to do. So I definitely go between using a comb and my fingers. I usually start off with a comb and then when I get close to my face, I use my fingers. A lot of you guys have suggested for me to try a pen, a fork. You've also said to soak my hair with water and conditioner and then remove the braids. I'm definitely going to try those out the next time I have braids in. So this is the length of my real hair. I'm going to take my fingers and separate my hair. And this is where your spray bottle of water is going to come in next. I'm just taking my spray bottle of water and I'm just going to spritz that area. Taking a little bit of conditioner on my fingers and I'm just going to smooth it into that section to help me loosen up any lint that may be in there, any tangles that might be there, and then take my comb. Definitely expect to see a lot of shedding. On average, we lose about 50 to 100 strands a day. So this is how much hair I lost. That's how much hair I lost from that one section. So we lose about 50 to 100 strands a day. So expect to have a lot of shedded hair. I actually have a huge ball of lint in my hand. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's basically what happens when you wear braids for a long period of time. You end up getting a lot of buildup or a lot of lint getting caught in your hair. So be mindful of that as well. You may need to just take your time, use your fingers, and really get in there. So I know I can definitely cut a lot higher, but if you've ever made the mistake of accidentally cutting off your hair while removing your braids, then you definitely understand why I'm afraid to cut too high. For the most part, most of my hair is reaching around waist length and I really don't know where it is in every single braid. So I just do my best to not cut too high so that way I don't end up cutting off my hair. So a lot of you guys are wondering about, does my hair knot at the front? Because you know I do that twisting method to maintain my hairline. My hair actually doesn't knot up. So you're going to see me remove any tangles that I may have. But my hair doesn't turn into dreads or locks like some of you guys were wondering. So this is an area where I would twist or maintain, and you pretty much see how easy it is to remove any tangles that may be there. Just a little conditioner and water and I just massage it in and separate the hair. Really, really easy. So here I'm just showing you how much hair I lost on this side of my head. This was my left side complete, and that's how much hair I lost. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. So this is how long the front portion of my hair is, and this is half of my hair done. I actually had to continue the next day because it was getting late. I did a lot of stopping to eat, to take care of my son, so it took me a really long time to take out these braids. So now we're finally done and it's time to wash my hair. If you guys want to see a full version on how I wash my hair after taking out my braids, please let me know down below. And if you guys have any questions, let me know below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So pick up your line.